Today we're going to start putting battens on our boards. The boards have been on for a while. They're getting pretty dry. There's some cracks between them there. Should be fine. We have our battens all cut to length. So let's get started with that. This is a pretty simple process here. We just take our batten, center it over the crack, make it flush on the bottom here. And we'll put our nail in here. This nail will go in the crack here between the boards. Is how it's supposed to work. That way if the board expands or shrinks or anything, it won't really matter because the nail won't actually be holding it in place. We'll just work our way down through here. Hold on, bud. Are you stuck? Are you unstuck? Okay. With these nails, we should be going into the 2x in the wall there a good, probably 1.5 inches. That should be enough to hold it. If not, we'll have to get some bigger nails, but I think these will work fine. Here we got a board that's cupped pretty bad. We have some new boards. I might just pull it out and replace it. I think we'll go ahead and do that. Some of these boards are cupped a lot worse than others. Probably the way they were cut. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this batten off without breaking it. Should have seen that before I put the batten on. We'll see how good these nails hold, I guess. Probably real gentle. You might be able to get it. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, I think those nails will hold good enough. This side's prettier anyway. Okay, let's just put it right back where it was. Space it evenly so our battens can cover. Right back in the same screw holes. Yeah, that'll fit better. What you got? Okay, for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, buddy. Cold French fry. Oh well. We got a window in here somewhere. Let me see what that was exactly. I think we can go 2 more battens before we get to the window. So 52 inches from the inside. 52. We didn't put this batten on yet. Yep.
We only got two strings.
Well, now we got a window.